CTB. You know who it is.
It's your boy Concisethebarber. We are here with a haircut tutorial, and this is one of my clients. He usually gets a mid fade, keeping the top curly, but he wants to do a new style today. So I'm going to show you somewhat of a slick back, still doing a fade, but it is going to be a little bit lower than usual. So I am going to start this process off with just debulking the sides, and I am using a number 4 and continue to keep combing the hair back. I did wet the hair first, so that's how I'm able to see what it's going to look like. And as you see, I'm continuing to comb. Like, you got to continue to comb the hair, especially if they want a desired look. Make sure you have that comb in the other hand and you're using it every time, after every 3 to 4 strokes. Now I have my Ghost trimmers. I had the Ghost clippers, and I'm using the Ghost trimmers, and I am just starting out with my bald line. I'm not putting a strong line in. I flip the trimmer and I'm just putting in a soft line this way. It's actually a lot better to do it this way instead of the other way. You're actually just making the job a little bit harder. And for this look, since he is keeping the top, we thought it was wise to keep the fade lower than usual. So that's what you're going to see right here. Now I'll grab the clipper again, and I'm going to start off getting this, the beard line kind of faded out quick with the blade open, since I am going to be using that for the fade. So right after I do my trimmer, I like doing the blade open, and now I'm just going with this head shape, and I'm going to fade into that trimmer. So lever all the way open, halfway, then close. Now, as I said, I did use a 4 to debulk, and now I am going in. I believe this is the 2 guard. I will clean up the difference between the 2 guard and the 4 guard, but I wanted to do the 2 guard because I know that will be like right under the parietal ridge, and I'm going to fade into that 2 guard. Now I have the 1.5, and like I said, since I used the 2 guard, I'm fading down. So 2 guard, 1.5, 1 guard, then 0. Now I'm using 1, and I'm just fading in that beard. And I like doing both at the same time. Since I am going to touch it with the 1 guard, I might as well start off with that and then, start finishing off with the fade. As you see me doing right here. Using a lot of corners, because we do want to keep the gradients nice and healthy. Now I have the 0 guard. And I'm just going right under where the 1 was. Taking my time, using the small teeth of the comb to help me lay the hair down, get it in the right area so it can be cut. Now for the side right here, I did use the blade open. Definitely feel like that was a good place to tweak some things, and just to want to blend it in a little bit more with that bald line area. Same thing with this area right here. Sometimes when you have people that have like extra skin on, like near the ear that protrude out, it seems like it's just like it just stands out a little bit. You got to work on that blend a little bit more. So from the 2 to the 4, I am using my thinning shears just to blend that in. Instead of using a 3 guard, I wanted to see how well my thinning shears would have done with the blend from the 2 to the 4. If y'all also do something like this, let me know. If you have a different technique, let me know. I'm always open to learn more and more. Now I have my Ghost trimmers. We're going to keep the front natural, but vertical bars in the C cup is something that we're definitely going to do. And as y'all see, these things do hit. I know some people, it seems like they struggle with theirs to hit, but I will do a video with these because I don't want y'all to be left out. I want y'all to have nice, clean, sharp lines with these as well. And right now I'm just cleaning up the hair that likes to just fall down. I'm not doing a lineup. It makes the slick back a lot smoother. Now we're going to get right into the razor work, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look after, you know, I razor up the shape up. With my services, got to do a hot towel. Now I'm putting, this is Statement. I really do like Statement. If you guys have never used Statement, I would suggest that you try it. And I think I am going to mix this with something as well. The Statement, I think it's the matte paste or the shine paste with this level 3 gel. Both of these together definitely holds the hair very well. It's movable, but at the same time it will stay in the desired look that you want. I have my Ghost blow dryer, the Forte Pro. This thing is definitely a nice blow dryer. If you're in the market for looking for one, I would suggest that you probably try this one out. It is really nice. And this is the look, man. First time him doing a slick back. He usually just gets his hair nice and curly, but he wanted to do something different today, and that's what we did. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of this. Y'all seen my process. What is something that you would have done different? Like I said, I'm still a student, still learning, but I did like how it came out. My client was very happy. So this is the cut. Let me know what y'all think of how the Ghost Edition did. And yeah, we're gonna keep going, man, and y'all stay blessed. I'll see y'all in the next video.
CTB, you know who it is.